Hey everybody, how's it going? I hope you're having a good day. And if not, that's okay too. Just take it one step at a time. Um, Today I have this cute little corset crochet top pattern that I'm going to be showing you guys. And I think it would be really great with I don't know how to describe them, but they're those like puff sleeve like blouses. And then they have like the kind of like a squarish neckline. And I think it would be super cute with this top, but I also think this top is super cute by itself. So let's just get into it. So right here we've got close to 2 full skeins of loops and threads, red and white yarn, the Impeccable one, which is like a 4 to 5 weight or a medium weight. And then you're also going to be using a size G crochet hook. So right here I'm going to be showing you guys how to change colors with a pretty standard like method for switching colors in a piece, which is called the invisible knot. And it's just like discreet and you won't be able to see any knots in the piece if you do it like this. So it's a pretty helpful method. So row 3 is going to be, for this panel or this part of the piece, is going to be the only white row. So once we've done our invisible knot, we're going to crochet across this row with white, and then we are going to switch back to red or whatever original color you want to choose using another invisible knot. And then from there on, you're just going to be doing the same single crochet rows until you have it at a length that you like, which I would really recommend doing or having it end just below your boob line where like a bra would end, because we are going to be lengthening it, but we're going to be doing it in kind of a different panel or a different piece. So for this panel you just want it to be ending below your boob line, and then you'll be binding off, and I'll meet you guys at the next section, which is it will have been binded off and everything. So this would be a good place to pause, finish up this panel. So here what I've done is we have the panel that we've already made, and I'm on the end of it, so the part where you would have just binded off. And what I've done is I've made a little loop, and I've stuck it on my hook, and I've just pulled the hook through like kind of the last stitch that we just did. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be slip stitching across that final row that we've just crocheted to provide a foundation for the next section. And then once you've gotten all the way across, you're going to start by chaining 16. So we've got our chain 16. Now we're going to start single crocheting back toward the row of slip stitches that we did into our panel. Once you've gotten back there, what we're going to be doing is we're going to do 2 slip stitches into the next 2 slip stitches, as you'll see in a second. So there's one, which was kind of the end stitch of the row. And then this second slip stitch kind of serves as the chain 1 for the next row, if that makes sense. And then now that we have our first row kind of established, what we're going to be doing is we want to create this ribbed effect with the white. So you're actually only going to crochet through one of the 2 loops that you kind of get at the top of your single crochet stitches, as you can see here. And for every row that we're doing the stitching for every row, not every other row, so only into one loop every row. And for every row, it doesn't alternate, you are going to be single crocheting into the loop that is closer to you. So the rest of this video is just footage of me lacing up the front of this corset top, in case anyone wanted to see specifically how I do it and follow it really closely. But if you feel confident in your ability to lace it up, or if you have a different idea for how to lace it up, or if you're just planning on stitching it, you don't have to watch the rest of this video. Just know that it is here if you want to use the resource. Thank you guys. Hi again. I just wanted to say I really appreciate you all watching until the end of the video, and as a little token of my appreciation, I'd like to share a little part of my day with you. And today I found this little green intruder in my house as I was changing out my cat's water. So I just grabbed him up, took him outside so that he didn't get eaten up by my cat, and hopefully he is not outside getting eaten up by anything else right now. So yeah, thanks again for watching.